What is going on, YouTube? The dividend stock. I'm sorry, not dividend stock king. Ty here with another video. That's my other YouTube channel. I'll shot a video for. Today's video, we're going over some cashback apps. So in the past I've done a video about cashback apps, getting cash back on your groceries, getting cash back on your gas. Well, Dosh just had an update. I recorded this video. We had another update on their platform. You get cash back on gas. Okay, so I'm gonna go through the whole litany of cash back on gas, because right now you're pumping gas and getting nothing out of it. So the first stop we're gonna look at is called Bumped. Bumped is not a cashback app. Bumped is a app where they give you fractional shares of a company, of a gas station. Okay, so here's the loyalties here. I'll have a link below the video of all the apps I use. But I have a link below the video for the Bumped app. You have to go on the waiting list for a while. It took me 8 months to join. Once I signed through the waiting list, it takes a long time. That's where it is. Okay, so as you see, BP is my number one guy. There's Chevron, Exxon, and Shell. I chose BP because one, it's the closest to my house. Two, when we go out to my wife's grandmother's house, we go to BP anyway. Three, I own full shares of BP. I own 4 or 5 shares of BP anyway. And I get cash back through apps, okay? So now you see I get 0.5 from this. So we go to portfolio here, and the stocks, we go to brands. We're going to go to brands here. There you go. BP's right here. I got $2.67 for BP. And all I did was pump gas. All you got to do is attach your debit credit card to the app and get gas. That is it. Get gas, and that's it. You get fractional shares. You can sell it, keep it, whatever. That's one app. That's one. Now, like I said, Dosh also has cash back on gas now. Okay, as you see here, I got 72 cents pending right now. Right now for BP. I bought $25 worth of gas, and I got 72 cents back. Now, granted, not a whole lot of money, but again, how much you get now for gas? Probably nothing. So again, same with this app. You type debit, credit card. Use like you used to. Use like as usual. You get cash back. And with Dosh, you get it back within an hour or 30 minutes. With Bumped, it takes a while to get the stock, but fractional share. But it's cool. I have it. So I got 72 cents back pending in my account. Okay, that's app number 2. App number 3 is the Get Upside Gas app, the best one of them all. So you see here, gas stations has BP right here. So all you gotta do now, you see a little blue thunderbolt, and you attach your debit card to this app. All you gotta do is claim the offer, go to the gas station. It give you 20 minutes to get the gas. So I do at the pump. I'll pump the gas like I do. And in 2-3 days, I'll get $1.75. Let's see my history real quick. I got let's see, processing today. Well, I got what, $1.57, $1.14, $1.79. I got $3 one day, $1.67. So you're getting some cash back. Now that's just 3 apps. We got Bumped, we got Dodge, you get 72 cents. You got this app, you get $1 something. Okay, we'll go to the 4th app, the trunow app. The trunow is another one that you can use to get cash back. Okay, you get cash back on gas stations. Okay, all you gotta do with this app is get your receipt and take a picture. Okay, and it has a list of gas stations. You pick BP, you pump your gas, and you're good to go. All right, so that's trunow. I believe that is it. So these are the 4 apps that you can use to get cash back: Dosh, Bumped, Get Upside Gas app, and trunow app. Okay, I also have shares into BP. So anyway, if you go into BP on a regular basis, because these apps, this is my personal opinion, it'll be a good idea if you invest in that company, if you buy shares in that company, because you're going there on a regular basis. Okay, that's my opinion. If you're an Uber driver, perfect for you to use. You get cash back every time you get gas, fractional shares, cash back through Get Upside Gas app, cash back through trunow. So I have codes below the video where you can put my code in for the Get Upside Gas app. You get a bonus. You get a bonus with the trunow, dosh, all the apps I have. I have a listed below with my links and codes you can use to get a bonus. Okay, so my suggestion to you or to anyone is to go ahead and get all 4 apps. I take you debit card and get some cash back on the things you're already buying. And this is just BP. Now you got Burger King too. I got Burger King on the once it bumped. I have Burger King up here too. So if I go Burger King, I get a fractional share back. I get cash back through dosh every time I go to Burger King. Okay, so that's good money. That's good money. I appreciate that. So that's the end of my video. Hope you like the video, share the video. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.